Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Here we go again, adding more Heroclix items to our collection. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a consolidated package from Buy and Ship, shipped to us through Ninja Van. Okay, so I noticed that when you do delivery duties paid option in Buy and Ship, then they tend to ship it via Ninja Van. Okay, so I don't know if that's new or that has always been the case, but nonetheless, we're happy that it arrived safely. I think a couple of days after consolidation. Okay, so this one is a consolidation of two packages. Okay, one from I think Cool Stuff Inc. and the other one from Game Nerds, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so let's take a look at the item. And we have another layer of plastic. Let's remove that so that we have. Oop, sorry for that. We are on the floor unboxing this raw video unboxing. And it's fighting with us. There you go. Probably open it here. Okay, opening up, opening up, opening up. And we have, boom. We have here a brick. A brick of the latest Marvel Heroclix Collector's Trove. Okay, finally, we have our first brick in. Okay, Collector's Trove. Okay, so separate unboxing and probably use it for sealed games. Okay, but more than that, we also have additional items. We have this much items, papers. We're not gonna worry about that. That's just packaging. And these are the cool stuff items. Let's see. Okay. Beginning with, ta-da! Okay. So we have here Lady Roma. So we actually had Lady Roma before, but we had to sell her to a local player. Okay, so that's why we immediately tried to get her back in our collection as an X-Men fan, of course. Uh, the same with Strife. Okay, I do have him, but sold him. So happy to get him back. Now the other items here are just really to fill out my collection for other oldies like Full Killer for Deadpool and ano to? Deadpool and X-Men set, and then Deadpool set for Black Cat, and we have Mercy from Deadpool. Take a look at that scope, and the Venom rare. Okay, so let's see. We have Black Cat, Venom, Mercy, and Full Killer, Lady Roma, and Strife. But aside from those, we also have some legacy cards, Sentinel Mark 5. Okay, so this already rotated, but we want to collect shiny stuff. Dark Star, Shikla is still modern legal, and one of the last legacy cards we need rather for Deadpool Weapon X. And thank you the one Jane for the discount. So quick haul, but we're happy. We're one step closer to completing our collection. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Bye bye.